Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, most likely women crochet handbag designs, class designs, beautiful ideas, new designs, new ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crochet handbag designs. Stylish designer ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy. Most beautiful, most trendy designs and ideas. Those who love such type of crochet handbags, you can easily make these very beautiful crochet handbags if you know crochet work. Easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and trendy stylish handbag designs decorated with flowers, beaded stones, by patterns, ribbon ideas. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet handbag designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eviva.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Or visit your market or shopping mall for buying these very beautiful crochet handbags. New and trendy designing ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. You can easily carry, you can easily move with beautiful and trendy crochet handbag designs. When you go in the birthday party, wedding party,